Good morning, children. I am teacher Saiza, and today we are going to learn about the 3D shapes. But before that, let's read our objective first. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the three-dimensional shapes, appreciate the use of 3D shapes in real-life objects, and construct a 3D object. Now, what is the 3D shapes? The 3D shape is a solid object with three measurements. These are length, height, and width. Unlike the 2D shape, 3D shape have depth and occupy space, having volume and surface area. Faces are the flat slides on an object. Edges are the lines where two faces meet. Vertices or vertex are the corners of 3D objects where three or more edges meet. Now, let's see the different 3D shapes. The first is the sphere. The sphere is a perfectly round. It has no corner and no sides. It has one curved face that goes all the way around. The real-life examples are the ball, the globe, and the orange.
A cube. A cube has 6 flat faces. At the face, all the faces are square. And it has 12 edge or the line and 8 vertices or the corners. So all its sides are equal in length. Can anyone tell me some object that look like a cube? Yes, very good. Well, I have here an example. First, we have the Rubik's cubes, dice, and ice cube. So as we can see, a cube is just like a little box. To the next one, which is the cone. A cone has a one flat face that is a circle, and it has a one edge and one vertex at the pointy top. Now, let's see the example of the cone. First is the traffic cone used on the road. Second is ice cream cone. Next is the party hat that we wear during birthdays or other celebrations. A cone is pointy at the top and round at the bottom. Let's proceed to a cylinder. A cylinder has 2 flat faces, one to the top and one at the bottom. Both are circles. So, it also has one curved faces around the middle. And it has no corners or vertices. Here's an example of the cylinder. First is a soda can, a candle, and a battery. So, cylinders are round and smooth with flat tops and bottoms.
So this is a square-based pyramids. Square-based pyramids have 4 bases, 4 triangular faces that make a sharp point, 5 faces, 5 vertices, and 8 edges. So here are the real-life examples. This is a triangular prism. Triangular prism have 5 faces, 2 triangular faces, 3 rectangular faces, 6 vertices, and 9 edges. So here are the real-life examples. There's a tent and a cheese. So look at the tent first. When you look at the front of the tent, it is shaped like a triangle. The back part is also a triangle, and the sides are like rectangles. So the whole tent is a triangular prism. Now, look at the slice of a cheese. If you cut a cheese in this shape, the 2 ends like a triangles, and the sides are rectangles, just like the triangular prism too. So both the tent and the slice of cheese are real-life examples of triangular prism. Alright class, let's have more fun. Look at this picture. On your paper, write each object that you see. Then you identify the shape. Are you done? Very good. Okay class, let's check your answer together. First, the ball is a sphere, round with no corners. Second, the tent looked like a triangle prism. See the triangle on the side. Third, the soda can is a cylinder. It has circles on the top and bottom. Fourth, the cone has a pointy top and a circle base, just like the traffic cone. Fifth, the Rubik's Cube is a cube, equal sides and flat square faces. Did you get them all correct? Very good. Clap for yourselves. Today, we learned that objects around us can look like a 3D shapes, like the sphere, cube, cone, cylinder, and triangular prism. These shapes are everywhere. Just need to look closely. Thank you, and God bless class.